Alright, this time we are going to do our best on restoring this Peter Sam. He is in really bad condition. So let's begin. Alright, Peter Sam needs a new electric motor, so we gotta fix that problem. Yes, in my experience I know it's the electric motor because of the noise. So let's begin. Now, here is something you can do to fix that noise. The thing is that the electric motor is really dry. And now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put WD-40 a little bit in the electric motor right here. I'm gonna wipe it off a little bit. Same in the other side. Clean it a little bit. Now let's do another test. Now the problem has been fixed. I could either leave it as it is or put a new electric motor, but since this is a demonstration and it's not for sale, I'm going to leave it as it is. And this will be a good example on how to fix that dry, noisy electric motor. Let's continue. Alright, now we are done with the cleaning, and looks like we gotta do some lining here, and I will not make anything in here. It's a bite or something, but what I'm going to do is I want to paint the roof because it's scratched, so that's what I'm going to do right now. Alright, now I will add 2 coat of satin canyon black to the roof. Let's see if it works. Okay, we are done with Peter Sam. I hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching. Bye.